Anyway, well, you got a question for us today?
Yeah.
A heavy hitter? What a time to be alive. I almost missed it. This guy just reminded me with the subject line. I almost missed it, but I could have used it right there. Cameo just raised $50 million for celebrities to say what you want. What a time to be alive. Mm-hmm. There you go. You got it in.
So he doesn't have a name, but shout out to the guy who made the question. Curious is Lou came up with this catchphrase or is quoting something?
You know what's weird is I didn't even think about it. When I said it, I thought it was just a really well-known phrase. What a time to be alive. I didn't even think twice about it because it was like in my brain. I guess I've been saying it for a long time. But I saw a comment along these lines, and so I looked it up. It actually was a Drake song, Drake and Future song.
Oh, okay.
And it was from The Simpsons before that. So you should play the clip. I don't know if it's going to get demonetized. Simpsons would be like heavy stuff. So you should probably, if you play the Simpsons clip, you should probably put the translucence on. But the guy goes into a convenience store, Hans Moleman, I think. Do you remember this clip, Jack? Oh, that's not Hans Moleman. Who is that? That's the old man.
Moon Pie.
Okay, the old man. Yeah, you can just play it, but yeah, do it like that.
What a time to be alive.
So it's a meme. It's definitely a meme, but this only has like 600,000 views. It's not a huge meme. It's not like a super well-known meme. And then Drake makes the song with the same thing. Now, that's what'll come up if you Google What a Time to Be Alive. It was a song that came out in 2015, Drake and Future. If you go to the Wikipedia, that's what comes up as well. So it's not really well established beyond those two circumstances in music as well as in, I mean, you could go, like I said, there's a couple of other songs by that name, but they're even more recent, 2018 and 2019, two albums that had that on there, that word, that name. And then there's the reference in The Simpsons. So I don't know how it entered my brain so deeply as a thing that I perceived everyone to know or have heard. Because I feel like I've been saying that for years.
On a nice day, you say it. You walk in and say it.
It's just sunny outside. I'll say, what a time to be alive. Yeah, I've been saying it for a long time. And funny enough, like I remember the Simpsons clip, but it wasn't meaningful to me. Moon pie, what a time to be. He's in the convenience store. He sees the moon pie, and he's sweating. Sure. So do you think that I saw that clip at one time and just embedded itself deeply? Because the Drake song, I don't even think I've ever heard it from 2015. When I looked it up, I found it on Google. That's when it happened. Okay, here we go. Know Your Meme from 2014. Know Your Meme just says it's from The Simpsons. That's it. But this was added 5 years ago. Catchphrase, origin, season 9, episode 17, The Simpsons. Originally aired in 1998. So 1998, I'm 13 years old. I guess I would have been in prime time to be embedded with a Time to Be Alive meme at 13 years old. I probably was watching that. But on YouTube, when it hit Know Your Meme, it only had 245,000 views. So definitely not a huge meme in terms of the meme Olympics. This is definitely not a gold medalist. And you can see search volume on Google Trends peaked in 2015. When the song came out, and it's flatlined ever since. So maybe we can get it back up with this show right here. Ladies and gentlemen, on that note, what a time to be alive. You can cut it.